student, please subscribe my channel. Here we are discussing chemical equilibrium. 1.5 mole of PCl5 were heated at a constant temperature in a closed vessel, 4 times capacity. Okay, so volume is given 4 liter. Number of moles of PCl5 given 1.5. At a equilibrium point, 35% was dissociated. Means 35% dissociated into PCl3 and Cl2. Find equilibrium constants. Write down first in this equilibrium reaction. PCl5 is PCl3 plus Cl2. Reversible equilibrium reaction hai. Initial concentration of PCl5 given 1.5. So concentration at equilibrium will be equal to 1.5 multiplied by 0.35, that is equal to 0.525. Number of moles dissociated by 35%. So number of moles of PCl5 that dissociate is equal to 0.425. Here we have calculated 1.50 is multiplied by 0.35. From here we are getting alpha here. Okay, so number of moles of PCl5 that dissociate, we got it. Now calculate the number of moles of PCl5 that dissociated will be total moles 1.5 multiplied by 35%, that is 0.35. I told you about this. So number of moles left unreacted, undissociated will be equal to 1.5 minus 0.525. Okay, this is molar concentration at equilibrium. Leftover concentration will remain in the solution. And now we will see that we got this 0.975. Molar concentration is equal to moles divided by volume in liter. So this is for PCl5. Moles are here 0.975 divided by 4, and this amount dissociated will be amount of Cl2 as well as PCl3. So it is also molar concentration will be 0.525 divided by 4. All of them moles divided by volume in liter. So this is moles divided by volume in liter in both cases. Now we put this value in the ionic equilibrium constant. Here see at equilibrium initially it will, after dissociation it will leftover will be 0.975. This is 525. Here 0.525. So molar concentration we got it. Now Kc will be equal to molar concentration, product of molar concentration of PCl3 and Cl2. So we write on the molar concentration divided by PCl5 molar concentration. We solve it and it will be 7.06 into 10 to the power minus 2. You calculate out yourself. Okay, and so we will find out the answer will be 7.06 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is rough work, you do yourself. Okay, so you will find out the answer is this. So Kc equilibrium constant for PCl5 will be 7.06. This is PCl5, right? Into 10 to the power minus